What if the holy grail of high-end audio, the lush harmonic resonance of a vacuum tube amplifier, could fit right in the palm of your hand? Today we're looking at the Astell&Kern SP4000T. At $3,620, this is a highly engineered fusion of analog warmth and digital precision, serving as a successor to both the SP3000T and the solid-state SP4000. This flagship DAP promises the ultimate desktop class listening experience. But with a hefty 565-gram weight and 4 delicate glass vacuum tubes packed into a portable chassis, has Astell&Kern pushed the limits of physics too far? Or is this the ultimate endgame DAP for serious audiophiles? We're breaking down its world-first quad-tube architecture, the massive amplification power under the hood, its reality as a desktop replacement, and the day-to-day user experience. So what makes the SP4000T worth owning? Well, there are a lot of things. But if you ask me, the absolute star of the show here is the analog output stage. It features the industry's first portable quad tube configuration. If not 1, not 2, not 3, 4 mil-spec vintage Raytheon Jan 4618 vacuum tubes. Astell&Kern didn't just throw 4 tubes in here just for show. They are divided into a fully balanced, channel-separated dual structure. By having a mirrored pair of tubes for both the left and right channels working in a differential configuration, the SP4000T cancels out common mode electrical noise and delivers incredibly clear voltage amplification. Because of this quad tube setup, Astell&Kern introduced triple tube mode, which gives you full control over how these tubes right here operate. In my own testing, these modes completely transformed my listening experience. They're pretty unique. So you get 3 modes here. You get triode mode, ultralinear mode, and pentode mode. So first with triode mode, it maximizes rich harmonics and it gives you organic warmth. I found this to be my go-to for pop and those coffee house tracks. It picked up subtle background elements that I would normally miss and reproduced incredibly lifelike vocals. Then you have pentode mode, which shifts the focus to maximum output and dynamic impact. This was the mode that I reached for the most with rock, metal, EDM, those high energy genres. It delivered a bold, authoritative presentation that emphasized the gritty texture in a lot of Oliver Tree's tracks that I've been listening to recently. And finally, you have ultralinear mode, which I would consider to be the happy middle. So what it does is it blends the tonal richness of triode mode with the firm control of pentode mode, hence why I call it the happy middle. So you get elements like electric guitars that pop, while still getting the delicate details that you're getting from triode mode. Astell&Kern truly thought of everything here, because vacuum tubes are incredibly sensitive to physical impact. Even a light tap can cause the glass filaments to ring, creating an annoying echo known as microphonics. So to fix this, Astell&Kern engineered a 5-stage, second-generation anti-microphonic architecture. Second generation because it's the same technology used in the SP3000T, just improved. Okay, this is a lot, so bear with me here because I'm going to explain how those 5 stages work. So they mounted the tubes on a flexible, independent PCB completely isolated from the main board. Then they wrapped the tube leads in custom silicone, suspended the tubes mid-air with silicone dampers, and then covered the entire assembly in a 99.9% pure copper shield can to block electromagnetic interference. What does that mean for you as the listener? Well, you can take this player on the go without your footsteps ruining your music. Your finger tapping along to the beat of a song on the back panel won't disrupt the sound. But the tubes are only half the story here. The SP4000T utilizes a high-end, discrete hexa circuit architecture that ensures high-frequency digital switching noise never contaminates your sensitive analog tube sound. It features the same DAC chipset seen in the SP4000, 2 AKM 4499 EX chips, and 2 AKM 4191 EQ digital processors. When it comes to amplification though, you get Astell&Kern's triple amp system. You're not forced to just use tubes. That's one part of the amplification system. We've still got 2 other components here. If you want pure solid state clarity, you've got the op amp mode. Op-amp mode truly shines in its own regard. When I tested this mode using the Focal Utopia 2022 headphones paired with a Blue Dragon premium headphone cable, it effortlessly reproduced every piano key and breathy lyric with an airy, organic presentation. Op-amp mode really showcases Astell&Kern's signature sound. And if you're familiar with Astell&Kern's signature sound, then you know that that's detailed, clean, and precise. Hybrid amp mode offers 5 adjustable levels to blend the precise resolution of a solid-state amp with the musicality of the tubes. Honestly, my personal library bounces between pop, EDM, hip-hop, alternative, and so on. And it often leaves me feeling like Goldilocks, looking for the perfect piece of gear that's just right to fit all of my listening habits. Hybrid mode ended up being my ultimate sweet spot here. It gave me the best of both worlds, and it adapted perfectly to my evolving playlist. Plus, the SP4000T inherits high driving mode, which expands driving current horizontally to give you a massive 8 VRMS of output in balanced mode without introducing background hiss. So whether you have highly sensitive IEMs or are using demanding planar magnetic headphones, the SP4000T has the current to drive them flawlessly. And to further refine the sound, because we all love to do it, Astell&Kern threw in enhanced signal alignment, which minimizes phase distortion, and advanced digital audio remastering, also known as DAR. Then you tack on 7 DAC filters, and the SP4000T is virtually unstoppable. Moving right into design, the SP4000T is very much an Astell&Kern DAP. It wears the AK footprint. It's got the sharp geometric edges and that signature volume wheel, which we all love. And I will say something here. These corners are genuinely sharp, so you will definitely want to use the included cognac leather case that's crafted in Florence, Italy. It's a beautiful finishing touch to add to the overall look, making it more secure and snug for everyday listening. You might have noticed this in our tube section, but on the back, you've got this neat cutout window where the vacuum tubes will emit their soft, warm glow when active. Switch into op-amp mode and this will turn off. But when you're in hybrid and tube mode, you get to enjoy seeing those tubes right there on the other side of this glass. The chassis is built from heavily polished stainless steel for a sleek yet sturdy build. It features a gorgeous 6-inch touchscreen, and it's got all the AK perks right here on the homepage. As for physical controls on the device itself, we've got a 3.5mm single-ended headphone output, a 4.4mm balanced headphone output, a physical lock and unlock button so that you're not accidentally changing the volume, skipping tracks, you know. Then over here, the volume wheel doubles as your power on-off button. On the left side, you've got your track controls and then a neat little feature right here on the top that allows you to go into the amp mode, whether you want to pick op-amp, tube, or hybrid. And then on the bottom panel, you've got a USB-C port and a slot for a micro SD card. So take all of that, combine it with the quad tubes and the heavy metal chassis, and this DAP comes in right around 565 grams. I wouldn't say that this is the device that you're slipping into your gym shorts pockets, but it's truly transportable and it serves as a great desktop system. And speaking of desktop, here's what I mean. This player is fully compatible with Astell&Kern's docking cradle, though you'll need to pop the leather case off to actually dock it onto the cradle, which is fine. It's a fantastic feature for anyone who wants that dedicated desktop station while still also having a portable DAP for on-the-go listening. Now let's get into the day-to-day experience of using the SP4000T. Astell&Kern has heard our qualms about the OS in the past, and they've listened. The SP4000T runs on an open Android 15 platform, which means full Google Play Store support. Goodbye are the days of apps you can't use. You can now download Tidal, Qobuz, Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube, or whatever you prefer directly to the device as long as it's supported by the Google Play Store. To support this, they implemented their first dual antenna Wi-Fi design, which gives you much faster and more stable 5 GHz download speeds. The DAP also incorporates AK's direct path technology, which completely bypasses Android's native sample rate conversion, which ensures that you get bit-perfect, lossless audio from all of your streaming apps. You've also got modern conveniences like crossfeed and two-way Bluetooth supporting aptX adaptive and LDAC codecs. For battery life, it houses a large 7,450 milliamp hour battery rated for approximately 10 hours of standard playback on a single charge. Obviously, if you push the device to its limits, running the tubes, high driving mode, streaming high-res codecs, that might drop the battery a little quicker, but I easily enjoyed a full workday's worth of listening, which is 8 hours. Luckily, USB PD 3.0 fast charging allows you to refill that battery in about 5 hours. And to help with the longevity of the battery itself, there's an enhanced battery protection mode that you can set to limit the maximum charge between 80 and 95%. Charging the battery to 100% every single time you plug it in will inevitably wear down the battery's lifespan over time, so Astell&Kern put in that safety guard feature for you. So here's my honest take. I'm the first person to label myself a music enthusiast over an audiophile. I listen to music to escape, and that's what I look for in a DAP. Ultimately, the SP4000T isn't just a statement piece. It's truly special because it effortlessly adapts to you, rather than demanding you adapt to it. It demands a premium price, sure, but by flawlessly merging quad vacuum tubes with cutting-edge digital architecture, it provides a massive holographic soundstage and versatile sound signature that just can't be matched by any other portable device on the market currently. So now that you've got the ultimate audiophile player, because you should definitely splurge on the SP4000T, it's worth it, how do you actually get your massive high-res library onto it? Well, we've got a video for you. Click on this video right now for our complete guide on setting up your new AK DAP, how to transfer music files, how to manage streaming apps, and mastering home connectivity. It's all right here. Give it a watch next. We hope you enjoyed this review, and we'll see you next time.